sun is a massive magnet, basically. It's rotating very rapidly. The magnetic field of the sun can then twist up and form bunches of magnetic energy. These occasionally release, which is what we see in a solar flare. It's a very rapid process whereby a vast amount of energy is released as these magnetic field lines reconnect and spew large amounts of material into the solar system. There's very close monitoring of all solar activity by National Grid, anyone that could be impacted by this, oil companies, for instance, on long pipelines. It's very, very closely monitored, primarily from places in the States and NASA, and they send out reports to those users that might be affected by these events, so they can take mitigating action ahead of time to actually stop any dangerous events occurring. These aren't foolproof, unfortunately, however. There have been events in the past where we've seen blackouts, not in the UK. There's been effects in Quebec, in Canada. In 1989, they lost power there for a good few hours due to a solar event. South Africa had some problems with their national grid in 2003. So things can go wrong, but the systems that are in place are very effective. We may well see northern lights as far south as possibly Scotland. Obviously, these are usually confined to much more northerly latitudes. It really pumps up the population of particles which are responsible for the northern lights. And so it's just a much more intense phenomenon compared to how it normally is.